Hello, this is Dr. Megan Hanna, and in this video we're going to look at how to find data on Data.gov. Once you've navigated to Data.gov, the first step is to click on the data link. Doing this will bring you to the data catalog, and you'll land on the datasets page, where you can search by dataset. To begin your search, you can start by entering a keyword, or you can also apply filters. Some of the filters that you can use include location or topic. You can also filter by dataset type or even by tags used to identify the datasets. Plus, you can filter by format. So as an example, if you're only interested in looking for data that exists in a PDF document, you could search for that type of data. Plus, you can search by organization type or even by the name of the organization, as well as publishers and bureaus. If you prefer to search for the organization that published the data instead of the data set itself, then you can click on this organizations link, which will provide you with a list of the organizations that have published data sets on this website. You can also search for the name of the organization or for a keyword related to the organization in the search box, and then order your results either by ascending or descending name order. Similarly, if we go back to the Datasets tab, you can order your results by a variety of methods. Let's perform a simple search using a filter. Let's search for geospatial datasets. We can see here that there are 238,309 geospatial dataset types. Once we've done this, we can see that our filter has been applied, and we can see that there are 238,309 datasets found as we previously identified. We can then scroll down and see which of these are the most popular, as this is how we have them ordered, or we could apply further filters to try to get to what it is that we're trying to discover. Let's say we're particularly interested in water. Under the topic categories, we can click water, and this will apply another filter. Now we see that we have 95 data sets. Let's say that what we were very interested in understanding is precipitation data. In this case, we can simply click on the result that contains precipitation data, and it will bring us to the page that provides information about this data and how we can use it. If we want to download the data, then we can scroll down on this particular page to the Downloads and Resources section and click on any of these links to download the data or to visit a page that provides us with some more information. Let's say that we are interested in the hourly precipitation CSV sample, which is located here. Then we can click the download button, and it will download the data onto our computer. Additionally, if we want to understand the data set documentation, so a description of the data, the format, layout, etc., so that we understand how the data set has been organized before we use it, then we could also click this button, the download button, and it will open up the documentation for us. In this case, it was a PDF, so it opened it in our window, and we can read it, and then we could download it to our computer. This was a short tutorial of how to use filters on Data.gov's website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like me to dig into this topic in more depth, please leave me some comments about what you'd like to explore, and let's do this in a future video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.